Hi.
Hello. Sorry to bother you. My friend and I are new to the building. We're in apartment 3F.
Oh, welcome to the building.
I hate to ask, but do you have a broom?
A broom? Sure. Tom, where's our broom?
Hold on.
Please, come inside.
Thanks. By the way, my name's Jill.
I'm Eric, and this is my friend and roommate, Tom.
Here you go.
Thanks. Oh, are you new to the building too?
No? Why?
Oh, never mind.
Jill?
I'm in here. Come and meet our neighbors. This is Tom and this is Eric. This is my roommate Maria.
Hello, how's it going?
Not bad.
Pretty good.
Excuse me for a minute.
That smells good. What's for dinner?
I'm not sure yet, but right now it's tomato sauce.
It's pasta and tomato sauce. He always makes pasta.
I do not. Hey, I have an idea. Stay and have some with us.
But we need to clean our apartment.
Come back in 30 minutes.
Are you sure? That's really nice of you.
Yeah, our refrigerator is empty.
I'll text you when it's ready. Can I get your number?
Sure. It's 555-3992.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
555-3992.
Got it.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye. I hope you're hungry. What should I make?
Uh-huh.
What? I like pasta. Eric, will you ask Jill to bring the broom?
I don't know what to get Jill for her birthday.
How about a ticket to a baseball game?
Jill doesn't like baseball at all. Actually, she doesn't like any sports.
Really? I love sports. Well, what does she like?
She likes music.
What kind?
She loves hip-hop and heavy metal.
Heavy metal? Oh, I don't like heavy metal.
Me neither. I think it's too loud.
Who's your favorite singer?
Well, her favorite hip-hop artist is Kanye West.
Me too. What about you?
I don't really like hip-hop.
Well, do you like any bands in particular?
I like Coldplay.
So do I. I have all their CDs. Hey, what do you think of getting her a CD?
Jill never buys CDs. She downloads all her music.
Why don't you get her tickets to a concert?
That's a good idea.
Let's look online. Here's something. Susanna Mason. What do you think of her?
The folk singer? I think she's great, but Jill doesn't like folk music.
How about this? Hip Hop Madness. It's tomorrow night. Tickets are $35.
It doesn't sound interesting to me.
It sounds fun to me. It's at 8 o'clock. Doors open at 7:30.
Let's look for something else. Hey, what about this? Tickets to the new musical Dance City.
I heard it was really good.
Jill loves musicals.
Perfect. Buy 4 tickets. It starts at 7:30, so we can meet at 7.
I'm buying them now.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Eric. How was math class?
It was great. Math is my favorite subject.
Is there any subject you don't like?
No, of course not. I love every subject.
Done.
What are you guys doing?
We just bought a birthday present for Jill.
Me too. Look, guys. I got 4 tickets for the new musical Dance City tomorrow night.
What time does your birthday party start tonight?
At 7. Maria's cleaning our apartment now.
No work for you on your birthday, huh?
That's right. That's a nice shirt.
Thanks. You look nice. Is that jacket new?
Yes, I got it for tonight. Is it okay?
It's cool. I like it a lot.
Eric is here.
Hi guys! Sorry I'm late. I wanted to get something new for your party tonight. Huh? What do you think?
It's an interesting shirt.
So, we're going to get to meet your family.
Yes, they're arriving later this afternoon.
That's nice, but I'm always a little shy around you people.
Not me. Tell us about them.
Well, my father is quiet and shy. Dad doesn't say much at first.
And your mother?
Mom is easygoing and creative like me.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers. As you can see, they love to play video games. Their names are Brent and David.
What is Brent wearing?
Brent is wearing the blue t-shirt and David is wearing the gray sweater. Brent will be there, but David doesn't live around here. He lives in Chicago. You can meet him another time.
How old are they?
Brent is 23 years old and David is 22. You'll also meet my grandmother.
What's she like?
Grandma is great. She's 75, but she doesn't act or dress her age. Her style is very different, but we love her. What are you doing, Eric?
Oh, I'm just studying for my history exam.
Your history exam? That doesn't sound fun. You know, you look a little tired. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just really busy right now.
Do you go to bed late?
I go to bed around 11:30.
What time do you wake up?
I usually get up at 7. But I have a lot of homework, and I'm working on Saturdays at that new supermarket. I'm trying to save money.
You need to go out and get some exercise. I exercise every day.
What kind of exercise do you do?
Just light exercise. Why don't you come out with me next Sunday?
What do you do on Sundays?
Well, first I do some exercises at that really large park nearby. I get there at 7:30. I exercise for about 15 minutes. Then I run on a trail for about an hour. It's beautiful in the morning.
I know what you mean. I like that park too.
Next, I eat a delicious breakfast.
I really enjoy breakfast.
After that, I go for a swim nearby.
In the park?
No, there's a really great place to swim near the park.
That sounds nice.
After that, I play volleyball. I play with the same team every Sunday. You can join us.
How long do you play?
About 45 minutes. Later, I eat a big lunch.
I love big lunches. How about I just meet you for lunch?